Everyone, Jack here with the GadgetBox 2.0 hardware, and we're going to go over how it all goes together in the box and gets tightened up. So this is the new 2.0 hardware that it uses the Arduino Mini Pro modules. This should really get the cost down. And then we've got one of these, what we're calling an eCog snap pack. And this is 4 eCogs that are manufactured together. They can snap apart to individual eCogs, and manufacturing them together on one panelized board keeps the cost down. So we start out by plugging in the snap pack, the eCogs, and you can tell you've got them lined up properly because the holes should line up. Then the next step is we want to put these spacers on. Now these spacers, what they're going to do is they're going to ensure that the eCogs are at the exact correct height for the case that we're using. Okay, so we got those all. Now, in the case, we can optionally put a battery pack in and then connect the JST connector on the bottom of the GadgetBox board. Unfortunately, I don't have a JST connector yet, so we're going to leave that off for now. And then you just put the whole thing in the box, line it up with the support posts, and then screw down each corner. Okay, so then what you end up with is a nicely aligned and pretty solid electronic project in a nice enclosure. And then now the other cool trick is sometimes it's hard to remove the eCogs, individual eCogs. So with the 2.0 hardware, what we've done is we've added these slots so that you can go ahead and just use an IC puller to pull out each eCog with no hassle. So that's it. Thanks for watching.